To buy shares in Interactive Brokers, you first need to create an account with them. Start by visiting the Interactive Brokers website and clicking on the Open Account button. You will be guided through the registration process, which includes providing personal information, financial details, and verifying your identity. Make sure to have your identification documents ready for this step. Once your account is set up and approved, you can fund your account. This typically involves linking a bank account and transferring money to your Interactive Brokers account. Keep in mind that there may be minimum deposit requirements depending on the type of account you choose. After your funds are available, you are ready to begin trading. Now, log into your Interactive Brokers account and navigate to the trading platform. Here, you will find a variety of tools and resources to help you make informed decisions. To buy shares, use the search function to find the stock you want to invest in. Enter the ticker symbol of the company, and once you find the stock, select the option to buy. When you are ready to place your order, specify the number of shares you wish to purchase and the order type, whether it is a market order or a limit order. Review your order carefully, then confirm the trade. After the order is placed, you can monitor your investment through the account dashboard, where you can track performance and make further transactions as desired.